Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Schedule C inputs with FreeTaxUSA step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the FreeTaxUSA website. Log into your FreeTaxUSA account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, select the Start a New Return option. Choose your filing status for this tax year. When prompted, indicate that you are reporting self-employment income. Locate the section labeled Schedule C in the navigation menu. Click on Start Schedule C to begin entering your business information. Fill in your business name and address as required. Next, provide your employer identification number, if applicable. If you don't have one, you can leave this field blank. Continue by selecting the principal business activity from the drop-down menu. Enter your business code which corresponds to your industry. You will now need to input your gross receipts for the year. Provide the total amount earned from your business operations. Next, you'll enter your expenses. Begin with the cost of goods sold, if applicable. Follow this by entering other expenses such as rent, utilities, and supplies. As you go, make sure to use accurate figures and keep all receipts. Once you have entered all necessary expenses, review your entries for accuracy. Look for any alerts or suggestions that FreeTaxUSA provides. If everything is correct, proceed to the next section of the return. FreeTaxUSA will calculate your net profit or loss based on your inputs. Review your Schedule C summary page to ensure all information is complete. If you find any mistakes, you can go back and correct them easily. Once satisfied, continue to complete the rest of your tax return. Follow any remaining instructions provided by FreeTaxUSA. When you reach the filing stage, choose your preferred method of submission. Finally, submit your completed return to the IRS as instructed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.